Altnabreac Towers, News Channel. News from Caithness, Inverness, and Edinburgh. The story continues. Clip credit at Dom Bauer Photo. Edinburgh, Auld Reekie, Princess Street, The Mound, and Castle. Date of hearing, Thursday, the 28th of May, by order, between 11 o'clock and 1500 hours. Case reference, COS CA90-23, name, E Limited, versus Ian Appleby in another agent, Shepherd and Wedderburn LLP, agent, RT. WebEx link requests to keepers@scottcourts.gov.uk. Court of Session, Outer House, Court of Session, CA90-23, 2025 CSOH95, Opinion of Lord Lake, in the cause, E Limited, pursuer, against, first, Ian Thomas Appleby, and second, Elizabeth Howe, defenders, pursuer, Mitchell, Shepherd and Wedderburn LLP, defenders, RTs. Parliament House, Edinburgh. The Court of Session is located here. Opinion of Lord Lake, the 9th of October, 2025. Introduction. 1. The first defender owns and both defenders live at Station House, Altnabreac, Caithness. Their house is adjacent to the far north railway line leading to Thurso and Wick. The relevance of this will become apparent below. As part of the shared rural network provided by collaboration between mobile network operators and the UK government, the pursuer wished to install a mobile telecommunications mast in Caithness approximately half a kilometre from the first defender's property. This is with the intention of providing mobile data services and eliminating a partial not spot. The pursuer obtained planning permission and entered into agreements with Caledonia Forest Land Investments Limited, CFLIL, the owner of the land on which the mast is to be erected, which on the face of them, permit the erection of the mast and access to the mast site. CFLIL later granted a lease in favor of the pursuer regulating use of and access to the mast site. The pursuer also entered into an agreement with Ulster Estates, Sporting, Limited for access over land owned by them where it was required to reach the mast site. The route for access to the mast site crosses the railway line at what is referred to in the pleadings as a level crossing situated roughly 600 metres from Altnabreac railway station and the defender's home. 2. The summons alleges that the defenders have sought to prevent the pursuer and contractors engaged by them obtaining access to the mast site. In outline, it is averred that the defenders obstructed the level crossing at Altnabreac by locking gates, parking vehicles across the track leading to the crossing and erecting fences. After correspondence with the defenders by solicitors acting for the pursuer, the present action was raised. The pursuer seeks interdict, an interim interdict preventing the defenders from interfering with their entitlement to take access over land owned by CFLIL, orders requiring them to carry out specified acts, ad factum pre-standum, and payment of damages in respect of losses they claim they suffered as a result of obstruction of their right of access. The defenders have counterclaimed seeking decree, A, for payment of what they term a compensation payment in respect of use of the crossing, B, ordaining the pursuer to enter into an access agreement with the first defender, and make payments in terms of such agreement, and c. in the event that the pursuer rejects the first defender's conclusions at 1 and 2 for interdict preventing the pursuer or persons acting on their behalf from entering onto the level crossing at Altnabreac. These remedies are sought, and the principal action is defended, on the basis that the first defender owns the crossing. The pursuer makes no averments as to present ownership of the level crossing, but in Article 11 includes in their averments in response that the railway line was conveyed to Sutherland and Caithness Railway Company by feud disposition, dated the 3rd of April, 1876. It is the defenders that have put ownership of the level crossing in issue. Edinburgh, looking west, Balmoral Hotel, Clock Tower. Carlton Hill, and Scott Monument. Thank you for watching. Keep following the Altnabreac Towers news channel. Altnabreac Towers@gmail.com